Today we're going to talk about how to set up your automated pricing. The automated pricing is primarily for appliances and not furniture. We do have furniture feeds, but they are in a different area. Automated pricing is here in your console on the main page. You would click Open to set it up. When you first open this page, when you're setting it up for the very first time, you will have a blank page that looks like this. To get to the page, you would put whichever email address for the person you would like to receive the updates and click Submit. If you have a new employee, you may also delete the previous employee's email address or have multiple email addresses separated with a semicolon in this field. We have this toggle here to allow you to decide whether to let the automated pricing tool update your featured products. Featured products are typically not changed when the tool runs. If you have an item that is discontinued or priced a particular way and it is a featured product, it will not be removed and it will not be repriced unless this is selected or you manually remove it from your featured products. So if this is something that you would like to have automated, you may select that toggle. These are the brands that are currently on the site. These are the dates for the price lists. Right now, all of these brands are enabled. That means that when there is a price list added on the dates that it becomes active, the tool will update that brand. It will reset it within categories. It's going to use MSRP for regular price and MAP for reduced price. If you would like to not have a price displayed, you just want the price list to update current or remove discontinued products, you can leave your regular price and reduced price empty. Save your changes. And when the feed runs, the prices will not display. If you wanted to have that option for all, you would simply check all under your preferred setting. If you notice that you have items that are not priced as expected, you will want to check to see if it's a featured product that didn't get touched, if it's locked in your catalog management tool, or take a look at the date for the list. If the date for this list is not as current as the date for the list that you have, you may send us the new list at service@tailbase.com and we will forward it to the automated pricing tool team for review. If you've made changes to your site, when the feed runs next, it will automatically make those changes display on your site. If you would like them to display immediately, you may select the Push tab and select Push Now. By pushing now, that will push all of the changes that you've made to the site based on the automated pricing tool or on the price lists that are in the tool. If you would like to enable the automated option for your promo lists, you may select the promotion lists tab and enable it. You also have an option to go a little bit lower than the promotion if that's allowed, or if it doesn't bring you below MAP, or you may just keep it as is. You may also select a default sense if you want everything to end with a particular number. You may opt for that. And then you would save your changes here as well. Blacklist. This allows you to remove or keep particular items off of your site. If you have an item that is on the price list, but you don't carry it and you don't want it to display on your site, you may select the blacklist tab, and then you would add the items. You would need the Tailbase product ID, and then you would select validate, and it's going to have the item there. You may also choose to remove it from the website. If you no longer want to have it as a blacklist item, you now carry it, you may select the item and remove from blacklist. I'll let you take a moment to jot down any questions about any of that, and then we will move back to our main price list page. Down here at the bottom, you have all of your settings up here. You might have a particular category that you would like to treat differently than your default settings. Perhaps you sell refrigerators very, very well, or there's a freezer shortage and you want to increase the price on those. You may add the brand and add your freezers. If you still want to keep up with the price list, you would enable it. If you wanted to only update the price and not the items, you wanted to only add items but not remove them, you may select those options, and you may price those as you see fit. This also works if you want to not have a price displayed for those so that your customers would call in to find out about those particular items. Once you are done or you no longer want to have those exceptions, you simply click on the X to delete them. This concludes our instructions on how to set up your automated pricing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the team at service@tailbase.com. Thank you. Have a good day.